Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring two powerful ways to enhance your online privacy using UDP User Datagram Protocol connections. We'll cover both the UDP Custom method and the UDP Request method and show you how to connect using the HTTP Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel apps. Let's dive in using UDP Custom. Step 1. Install TEGERAM. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for TEGERAM and install the app. Step 2. Joining the TEGERAM bot. Tap on the TEGERAM bot link provided in the video description. This will open the TEGERAM app and take you to the bot. Step 3. Starting the bot. Tap Start to initiate the bot. You can also use the command /start if needed. Step 4. Accessing UDP Custom. Select UDP Custom from the bot's menu. Step 5. Downloading a configuration file. Tap Config Files. Select a configuration file that suits your needs. Step 6. Installing and setting up HTTP Custom VPN 1. Install HTTP Custom VPN. Open the Google Play Store and install the HTTP Custom VPN app. 2. Open the app. Launch the HTTP Custom VPN app. 3. Import the configuration. Tap the plus icon, then open Config. Select the file. Choose the configuration file you downloaded. 5. Connect. Tap Connect to initiate the VPN connection. Using UDP Request. Step 1. Return to the TEGERAM bot. Go back to the TEGERAM bot. Step 2. Accessing UDP Request. Select UDP Request from the bot's menu. Step 3. Downloading a configuration file. Tap UDP Configs. Select a configuration file that suits your needs. Step 4. Installing and setting up SocksIP Tunnel 1. Install SocksIP Tunnel. Open the Google Play Store and install the SocksIP Tunnel app. Open the app. Launch the SocksIP Tunnel app. Step 5. Importing the configuration 1. Access Import. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the app. 2. Select Import. Choose the Import option. 3. Choose the file. Select the configuration file you downloaded. Step 6. Starting the connection. Tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. Join our community. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.